Chart champions, assemble. Today we're turning numbers into narratives with graphs in Google Sheets. Whether it's a pie, bar, or line chart, we've got you covered. Let's graph our way to greatness. 1. Input data, enter your data into the cells. Make sure to label your rows and columns. 2. Select data, highlight the cells that contain the data you want to include in your graph. 3. Insert chart, click on Insert from the menu, select Chart from the drop-down options. 4. Customize chart, in the chart editor on the right, choose the type of chart you want, customize further with chart style, axis titles, legend, and more. 5. Position chart, click and drag your chart to place it where you want on the sheet. That's how you make a graph in Google Sheets. If this tutorial was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more visual data tips.